everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Neil, and today we're doing another fan requested drawing, this time from Jessica Richland. Fun fact about Jessica, if you go back to our How to Draw Bonnie from Five Nights at Freddy's, that was requested by Weston, who is actually Jessica's brother. And in that video, I asked Weston's sister, who's Jessica, to send me a suggestion for a drawing, and this is the result. And Jessica asked me to draw a cartoon watermelon, so that's what we're gonna do in this very video. It was great meeting the Richlands in Walt Disney World during our trip. You guys are a great family. Thank you so much for watching and your support for this channel. I really appreciate it. Before we get into our drawing, a little reminder in case you don't know already, we post brand new videos to our channel every Thursday. So be sure when the calendar comes around to Thursday to come on back to the channel for some more drawing tutorials. All right, let's get into our drawing of a cartoon watermelon. All right, let's go ahead and get started on our picture of our cartoon watermelon. So for this one, you're going to need a drawing utensil. I'm using a black marker. Feel free to copy me and do that, or use whatever is most comfortable for you. You're gonna need a piece of paper, and then this is the color palette that I'm choosing for my cartoon watermelon. Feel free to copy this, or if you wanna use different colors, feel free to do that. There's nothing wrong in art. Also, if I'm going too fast during the tutorial, please feel free to push the pause button or hit rewind. I wanna make sure that you guys are having fun and are able to follow along with me. All right, step number one, we're going to draw the bottom of the watermelon. So we're gonna come over here. We're gonna draw a line all the way down, coming across, just keep that going. And then we're gonna come up on this side, keep that going until it gets to the same spot that we started on the other side of the paper. Okay, next step, we're gonna draw the top of the watermelon, which is just a straight line. We're gonna start over here. We're gonna draw that line across. Keep it going. I'm gonna stop right there. And then this one, we're just gonna draw a little tiny line to about there, because we're gonna put a chomp in the middle of it. Well, it's not the middle, it's more to the side. But anyway, somebody's already taken a bite of this watermelon because it's so delicious. So we're gonna put those teeth marks in there. Gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're just gonna, we have a little space in there, just connect that line. Next, we're gonna draw the rind, or is it the crust? Or is it the skin? I don't know. Leave it in the comments. I have no idea what it's supposed to be called, but it's the outside of the watermelon, the green part. So we're going to start here. We're going to follow that curve that we initially drew for the bottom of the watermelon to about there. And then same thing on this side. Gonna drag that down. Just keep that line going. About there, and then I just will bring those together. Sometimes it's easier to split up your lines than it is to draw just one straight line. Well, in this case, it's a curved line, but sometimes it's easier just to break them up. All right, next we're gonna draw the watermelon's eyes. So those are gonna be 2 circles. Starting over here, we're gonna do one like this, just a big old circle like that. And then one over here like this. Another big old circle like that. Then we are going to make our watermelon a girl. So we're gonna give her some eyelashes. So we'll start over here on this side. Go 1, 2, 3. Same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3. Then we'll lay in those pupils and irises. So we're gonna start over here. We're gonna make her kind of looking up at the chomp mark there. So we're gonna curve a line down like this, all the way around and in. Same thing on this side. Gonna curve that line down, around, up and in. Then we'll put those pupils in there. Draw that curved line down and around and back in. Same thing over here. Draw that curved line down, around and back in. And then we'll give that sense of light by putting just a couple of lines in the pupil. So one's gonna curve down like this. And then we'll have another one that kind of is more straight, like that. Same thing on this side. Straight like that. Then we'll give her some eyebrows. And she's a little bit perplexed as to why somebody has already taken a bite out of her. So we'll give her some eyebrows. One's gonna start here. This curved line up like that. And then this one's gonna be down further because she's a little confused as to what's going on. Then we'll go ahead and give her a mouth. So we're gonna curve a line over like this. We'll start here because she's like, what the heck? This. Then we'll do underneath there, we'll do another curve and connect to the upper curve that we drew. Then we'll go ahead and give her some teeth and we'll just indicate that with a quick line here. Just draw that line like that. And since watermelons have seeds, I thought it'd be cool to give her some watermelon freckles. So go over here, 1, 2, 3. Same thing on this side, 1, 2, 3. And then you can put some more seeds on the inside to, make it more watermelon-ish, just using some dots. So just go, kind of put them everywhere. All right, and there you have it. Your line work done for your cartoon watermelon. And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying dad joke. Okay, which fruit is not able to get married? Cantaloupe. Okay, let's move on to our coloring step and we'll do that in super speed starting now. All right, there you have it, your fully colored cartoon watermelon. Thanks everybody for drawing along with me. I hope you guys had lots of fun. A special thank you to Jessica for the cartoon watermelon drawing suggestion. If you want to support the channel, please go down below and click that subscribe button and smash the like button. Also, if you're interested in drawing more stuff, we've got lots of videos for you. Feel free to go check out our catalog over at Truly Artrageous on YouTube. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.